Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete the Bitget identity verification using the web version. If you're new to Bitget, or you want to unlock full access to trading, withdrawals, and platform features, identity verification is required. Follow along and you'll finish it in just a few minutes. Start by opening Bitget on your browser and logging in. Once you're on the home page, look at the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Identity Verification. This will take you to the verification dashboard where you can see your current verification level. Click Verify under Identity Verification Level 1 and you'll be taken to the verification page. Here, Bitget will ask you to select your issuing country or region, as well as the type of ID you want to use. You can choose a passport, national ID card, or driver's license depending on what your country supports. Before continuing, Bitget gives you two options. You can switch to your phone by scanning the QR code, or stay on the desktop version by clicking Continue. Choose whichever is easier for you. Next, Bitget will show you some guidelines for uploading your documents. Make sure you take a moment to read them. Your ID must be clear, unedited, and show your full name and date of birth. Good lighting and a clean background make the process much smoother. Now upload your document photos. Some countries require only the front side, while others need both front and back. Once your images are uploaded and look good, click Continue. After that, Bitget will ask you to complete facial recognition using your computer's webcam. Position your face inside the frame, follow the instructions on the screen, and wait until the scan completes successfully. When you finish the face scan, Bitget will start reviewing your submission. Verification usually takes a short time, but it can vary depending on your region. You'll receive a notification by email and inside your Bitget inbox once the review is complete. And that's it! Your identity verification on Bitget is done! If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple crypto tutorials.